What are you doing, Anna Kate? Tell Mommy what you're doing. What are you doing? Are you playing? Huh? What is that? What? Okay, stop it. You can stop it.
No.
You can stop it. It's okay. No, use your controller to stop it. No, that. Use that hand. That. There you go. Are you gonna stop it? You know how. Are you gonna put the blocks in there? Okay. Oh, okay. What is this? You did it! Good. Yeah! Here it comes. Okay. What? Oh no! Have to wait for the next time.
Mommy, read it. Turn it off.
Okay. You say please?
Please.
Okay, go watch.
Okay.
Oh, it didn't turn off. Hang on. Whoa, be careful, honey.
I want to turn it off.
I did turn it off, see? Come put your other block in there. Ow.
See?
Okay, you want it to go now?
Yeah.
Here, come get the controller and you make it go.
I want the boxes. I want the boxes. I want the boxes.
That's all you want?
I want this one.
Are you gonna make it go?
Yeah.
Okay, come get your controller. Okay, show Mommy how to make the train go.
I want to make it an alien.
What? I can't hear you. What are you saying?
My daddy.
You need a truck? You need a truck to put those in, don't you?
Yeah.
Show Mommy the tree. Where's the Christmas tree? What's under the Christmas tree?
Get this present.
Christmas presents. And okay, why don't you touch the tree?
Because I pull it.
But why? Because the ornaments are what?
The breakable.
Yeah, they're breakable.
What's in there?
Will you look at Mommy and say your ABCs, please?
No way.
Can you sing them to Mommy?
No way.
But I need to know them. What about count? Can you count for Mommy?
No way.
Please.
No.
Are you Mommy's girl?
No way.
Whose girl are you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Mommy, let's go.
No, I want you to say your ABCs for me first.
Let's see.
Well, say your ABCs and then I'll let you see.
O A B C H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Well, I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay!
Mommy, let's see.
Okay, can you sing another song for me?
My ABCs. I.
Okay, now can you sing Jesus Loves Me?
Jesus loves me, this I know, and for the Bible tells me so. The little ones here long are all read his song.
Whoa, what else are you going to sing?
What you are.
Can you count for Mommy?